Surprise!
What a surprise! Hello, pamunta ng section ni Cass, my friends, Ross, si Nick Natis na dyan, Dane, Derek, thank you guys for being here.
So we will discover all the flavors as well later on. Yung pag-shooting mo with ang yan ng Section E, is that what's been keeping you busy or are there other things that have been keeping you busy lately?
Well, so there's a lot of things going on right now that have been keeping me busy. So, syempre, tuloy pa rin ng mga projects, and of course, in my free time, I've been keeping myself busy by working out, spending time with my family, and eating food trips. Yan ang favorite ko talaga, getting to eat with my family also.
You said your family. How's your family so far doing then? I know your work-life balance, minsan di natin matutiyempo na. So we have to do a little bit more work, leave family behind, or have you been more, I guess, taking care of spending more time with family?
Yes, back home we're all good talaga. My family, we like to actually, our bonding in the house, food trip kami talaga. We love to eat, especially pag may mga new foods, mas lalo from Jollibee, di ba? So, talaga whenever there's a new product or new food from Jollibee, we always love to try it and share it, really talk about it.
On the side, so parang meron akong memories dati nung as family, like growing up. May food trip ba kayo? Kasi dati kami, as a family, minsan nag-trip kami to Baguio. Siyempre, nadaan kami ng Jollibee. At alam na ng dad ko, like, C3 para sa kuya ko. Ganon. Do you guys have that type of memory with Jollibee?
Of course, dahil naman, OG Jollibee kita ba talaga, doon pa naman, even with the purposes of our family being together, or talagang kahit birthday parties, sa Jollibee kami, diba? At kahit taping din sa the first family where we're all together, we love to also eat Jollibee on the set. Ganun ang experiences ko.
Actually, naalala mo nga yung mga birthday party. So, meron kang, do you remember having that photo na kids kayo, sa lahat ng friends mo invite, tapos sa Jollibee, yung third floor, second floor ba yan, na may party kayo?
Oo naman. I'm sure you guys can relate. There's nothing like a Jollibee party, diba? Kaya those are really, always been there with me in my memories always, especially since Jollibee talaga ako, batang Jollibee talaga ako.
Basta lang favorite memory din natin yan. And speaking of our favorites, I actually, wala ko pa sa sobrang secret ng Alila Lounge natin. Kahit host ako. At least wala akong alam. Baka naman meron kang alam, because I know he actually knows more than me kung ano yung launch natin today. Baka meron kang patikim na info about what we get to experience today for the very first time.
Well, you guys will get to see and experience a lot of new things here today. Syempre, I don't want to say it yet, pero makikita nyo. And yun.
Okay, sir, syempre, pakipon pa tayo. But I do have someone that we can bring on stage to tell us more about what might be your next new flavor. And we have the Jollibee brand manager and so on, Jenna Santiago, up here on stage right now.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. So I'm so happy to be here and I'm so happy that you guys came. So are we all excited?
Jenna, kanina ko pakipon kahit siyempre kaya.
You will be surprised with everyone. But I guess before I say what will be revealed today, I wanted to ask the people here, meron na bang mga clues or may guesses na ba kayo on what will be showing today? You can go siya. Wala ba? May choices na tayo eh. You guys saw the setup na ba? May mga hint kanina si Agnes.
Parang yung iba, they're doing this movement. So, inisip nila kay rice meal ba? Kaya gano'n. Kasi may sauce eh. So, baka kailangan i-pour yung sauce. So, ano yung,
Okay.
that's what they're thinking.
Okay. I guess to start, are you guys familiar with Jollibee Crunchy Chicken Sandwich? Yes. Okay, that's so nice to hear. Because we actually launched Jollibee Crunchy Chicken Sandwich last year in January. And it had a great turnout. Really good nice for Jollibee, and it quickly gained its own following.
Oh, and I think the chicken had yung, which is familiar, yung the ranch na
Yes.
sauce.
Yes.
Parang yun na alam ko, sabi ko, parang ito ba?
Correct,
So,
correct.
yan yun.
It is the ranch flavor that we have now. Yes.
And then for this time on, did you get to try that before when it came out nung Jan or ranch?
Of course, I was able to try all the flavors, and they're all my favorite talaga, guys. Una-una, the creamy ranch, I love that as well.
Tapos sobrang crunchy. Kailangan super, yan yung really important, crunchy chicken natin na crunch.
But as mentioned, we launched Ranch last year, but we couldn't stop there. Of course, we want to expand though. We want to make Jollibee more exciting. So our college students, of course, Andres is very familiar with college students, young working adults. They really like trying things, they like flavors, and they really get excited about new things.
So, kung may ranch tayo and became a hit, nagdagdag pa tayo, nag-level up yung muna tayo.
Correct. So we want Jollibee crunchy chicken sandwich to be brought to new heights. So that's why we're actually launching 2 new flavors with the creamy ranch that we have right now.
Okay, so 2 new flavors. So we know we have the ranch. Please give us the lowdown.
Correct. So as you know, creamy ranch we have it. That's our OG. It's creamy, it's tangy, slightly herby. But now we also have chili cheese. So you also saw at the back, there's like a chili cheese background. So it's creamy and cheesy. It's like cake.
I like my honey.
Yes. So for those who like that, a little bit of spice. And then of course, golden barbecue. Ooh. We have a sweet, smoky, tangy barbecue flavor for the more adventurous kind of people here.
So sa mga flavors na itong tatlo, Andres, are you leaning towards something?
If I had to pick, ako talagang kaya akong mabilis siya, guys. Kasi the 3 flavors talaga all very different, you know. If you want something very cool, yung cool ng vibe, you have something like creamy ranch, which is very rich. And then if you want something, you know, something sweet and smoky, and you're feeling kind of bold, of course you have golden barbecue. Or naman, chili cheese whenever you're feeling adventurous or you want a little spice, you know, in your life.
Or parang baka depende on the time of the day or the mood or who you're hanging out with.
Yes, exactly. Like what's nice about these flavors is parang based on how you're feeling that day, the vibe you want to have, or the adventure you want to take. Talaga, you get to choose between 3.
Perfect. Thank you so much for that, Ms. Jella. Sa barkada namin, meron na lang naisip ko na ito for that person, ito for this person.
So now they can try all flavors. And actually, what's the best part about these 2 new flavors with our creamy ranch is that it's still at the same affordable price. So we're at 62 pesos for our solo. And of course, we have the drinks, the meal with drinks, and the meal with fries and drinks as well.
Okay, so 67 for the sandwich and 62
Yeah.
Oh my God, ay, may kailan extra pa ako. I love. Okay, pero kung meal,
Kung meal is 87 with the drink.
ay, isa ako. Wala ko na 100 pesos.
Yes.
Sulit, sarap ko na daw. Isa dyan.
Correct. And they have to try it actually very soon because our 2 new flavors are only available for a limited time. Yes. So you really have to try it.
You're not everyone. They're only available for a limited time, so please try nyo out na dyan pa. Because it's really a different experience, you know, different vibe.
Sige, try mo ito, mas pinigre mo. Ay, moving on though. Miss Jenna, kailangan namin makita mo ito kasi andito po yung mga fan clubs ni Andres here today. And they're so excited to see yung campaign naman that you guys have been working on. So if you can give us, I guess, ano na, magpapakita ba tayo finally?
Yes, we will actually be showing the hero video later on. But I wanted to also say that this campaign is actually something new for Jollibee. So you'll see later, medyo may hint na rin here na So it's like really different compared to like other campaigns of Jollibee.
Siyempre, kasi meron pa tayo dyan sa
Yes.
Ako niya, actually, superstar here as well. So, what? Baka naman, sorry ba? Sorry ba?
Maraming tayo.
Actually, mahaba pa, pero gusto ko i-capture yung program. Baka ang haba ng mga titles mo dito, ituloy-tuloy pa. Kasama pa din yung Gcash ng kajulan ha. Pero, how was the shoot? And maybe give us a little bit of an experience on how it was shooting this campaign for Jollibee.
Well, unang-una pa lang, itong shoot na to, it was the first, my first solo camp. Playfulness, you know, a lot of activities and motions and, kita mo naman, kaya so,
So excited you mentioned fun a lot because hindi lang sulit si Jollibee, hindi lang kasarap, pero saya needs to always be involved when we're talking with Jollibee. Sulit, saya, sarap as well. Is Jerry, baka naman pwede na natin